house plants that are suggested for beautiful and creative DIY planters. These are all old coffee mugs which has been recycled and reused in gardening. So today I am sharing with you some of the plant suggestions for DIY planters, especially for ceramic coffee mugs. So let's see what are the plants that I have suggested in the video. I will show you a list of plants that are ideal and well growing, small plants and also bushy plants, and we'll see what are the plants. So these are best house plant suggestions for your indoor garden or your home decoration, and best for your living room or your sitting room, or you can use them either in your kitchen. So let's see the list of plants. Do you have any old ceramic mugs or else any broken jars where you can use them as planters? Planters will grow really very beautifully. These are house plants, and today I thought of sharing with you about the house plants that you can grow in old ceramic mugs and DIY planters. So when you select plants also, there are certain things that you will have to keep in mind. So let's see what are the house plants that you can grow in these beautiful planters. When we bring plants from a nursery, we get them in growing bags. So grow bags we put away soon after we bring them from the nursery. So once you have the plant with you, the next question comes where we are going to put them. What are the planters? So today my house plants, I have these collection in different planters. So the first idea is to put them in coffee mugs. So the first thing is, friends, when it comes to a plant and a planter, you will have to see the drainage hole. So either it be ceramic or else in a plastic one, you have to think a lot about the drainage hole. So the well draining soil should be in a well drainaged hole planter. That is very important when you're selecting planters for your beautiful house plants. So let me suggest you some of the plants that you can grow in these beautiful ceramic planters. First house plant is this beautiful money pothos. These plants are ideal because they are low maintenance, they are shade loving. When you keep indoor plants, when you select indoor plants, see that they are shade loving, not bright light loving. They will grow in these beautiful ceramic planters. So this is the first plant suggestion for you. You can grow house plants easily in these coffee mugs. That is the first plant that I suggest. So the next plant I have here is this sansevieria. So the next beautiful plant that fits into these type of planters are the beautiful Lakshmi Kamal plant. You can keep this outdoors, expose it to sun because this is a succulent. Be mindful about that. Now this plant especially you will have to expose to the sun because they need to grow a lot of sunlight. So this plant fits into the coffee mug planter. You can see there's a beautiful colorful coffee mug, and there's a good drainage also. So this is another plant suggestion for your coffee mug planters. This is a beautiful house plant. This is dwarf sansevieria. They fits into small coffee mugs very nicely. Now look at this. This one fits into this mug. This is one of my daughter's old mug, and I have put the sansevieria plant, and it looks so elegant and attractive. This is ideal for a tabletop. And also I have here a wandering Jew plant. Cuttings of wandering Jew fits into coffee mug planters. These are all beautiful plants. They grow in the shade. You can keep them indoors as an indoor plant too. So you can decorate any tabletop or else any living room or your dining table. And this is a spider plant that is also in a small coffee mug. This is a good suggestion because they are air purifier plants too. So friends, when selecting plants, see that you don't have to water them on regular basis. Sometimes you forget to water, so keep plants that doesn't require water regularly. Yes, I have another spider plant. If you can see the size of the plant. And this is also a ceramic jar. It's a coffee jar. It's a beautiful sansevieria again, a snake plant. Look at this. And this is another coffee mug. So colors are very nice. And it's a decorative one. So if you have time, you can color them as well, paint them. And look at this one. This is also a ceramic pot. This one was a spice jar and the lid was broken, and I have put a big money pothos plant. I put only a small cutting now that the plant grown so healthily. The stem is looking so long, and I have left it as it is, and you can see how healthily this plant is growing. I'll give you a look at the plant. And this one also ideal pothos plants varieties, fits into a type of plant. When selecting plants for coffee mugs, see that you select bushy and also small plants which doesn't grow tall, because that will be really very nice. Short and bushy type plants are ideal. Other than these plants, you can grow very well these beautiful plants. Another beautiful suggestion is the peperomia plant. I put a small one here in the ceramic planter, and it looks awesome. So beautiful, isn't it? So these round bushy and thicker looking plants are ideal for these type of coffee mug DIY planters. Try growing some nerve plants also in DIY small planters, because they also are very bushy and also very attractive and elegant. This is another suggestion for your coffee mug planters, because they are also not very tall growing but can be managed in a small planter. So friends, these are some of my suggestions of plants for you to have in your coffee mug planters or any ceramic DIY planters. Select some plants that grow bushy and also thicker, and always select some short plants which are giving a very elegant and attractive look where you can decorate your home very easily. So for the demonstration, I have taken them all out. So I hope you find this video very useful. And if you do, please don't forget to give it a big like and share it with your family and friends. Do like and subscribe to Tamara's Garden for more upcoming gardening videos. So I hope you enjoyed this. See you soon with a gardening video. Bye bye.